An eponym is a word derived from someone's name. The most famous eponym is probably Casanova. A Casanova is someone who has many lovers, often simultaneously. The word is derived from the name of Giacomo Casanova, who was famous for his multifarious affairs. If he had been around today, his social media relationship status would probably read, "It's complicated." Besides being a famed lover, Giacomo Casanova was an 18th century Italian adventurer and writer who wrote a very famous autobiography. One of the topics that he discussed in this book was his adventures with as many as 120 different lovers. And that's how we know about his exploits. If you're planning to be a Casanova in this day and age, I would advise you to remember the hashtag #MeToo and proceed with caution. I'm the English Nut. Bye for now.